Hi everyone, this is your Jee Sifu at Chi Nature and Tina Dragon Taoism channel. Today we're going to talk about something that everyone says in Chinese, but they do not really know what they're saying. Jing Sun. How's your Jing Sun today? Oh, I'm doing okay. Or like, how are you doing today? Well, how's your Jing Sun? I have no Jing Sun. Hey, what does it mean, Jing Sun? In Chinese New Year, we say "龙马精神." What does it actually mean? No one actually knows what that word 精神 means when they say it because it gets so natural. It's like, okay, I'm tired. I'm not 精神, right? Like when you're like, don't want to open your eyes. Oh, I'm not, no 精神. No 精神 is not tired. It's not exactly tired. What is the 精 and what is the sun? We need to understand this in precision in order to actually understand about our health. So yesterday I got this guy asking me, like he says some acupuncture talk about the Jing Shen theory, and somehow it relates to like your physical feeling. Do you have energy? Maybe like, oh, after something you like, feel like a noodle. Oh, your Jing is low. No, it has nothing to do with that. So many misconceptions out there. Like you relate these to physical feeling, you're wrong. Okay? It has nothing to do with your physical body feeling. Jing Sun is two things. Jing is referring to your preheaven essence coming down to you, which create vision, ideas, and like how you feel about your future. Not like future, it's like, oh, 30 years later. No, I mean like next hour. Okay? There are people with poor Jing. Like they just wake up and they're like, I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I don't know. I'll just like, do whatever. Yeah, that's no Jing, right? If you have good amount of Jing, you will have vision, as in like I can see today I need to do this, I need to do this, I need to do that. Like you're very clear about your future um doings, like what you have to do. You have a clear picture of the whole day, of your plan, and it's like you have directions in life with a good amount of Jing. You wake up, you don't feel hopeless. You don't feel like lost in the wild. You don't feel like I don't know what I'm doing today. And it doesn't feel like so hopeless because like, okay, today you have to do let's say a TikTok video, a blog post, a business proposal. You got ideas coming to you. You already know what you have to write, what you have to say, and it's like everything is in control. You can see it. That's Jing. It has nothing to do with your body. Come on, okay? Anyone telling you that your Jing is low, that's why your leg is feeling like noodle and you don't have power to walk, those are wrong, okay? It has nothing to do with that. The Jing comes down, it creates ideas, it creates your future vision. These things, it has nothing to do with your body, okay? The sun is the energy that is converted into the hot. So if the sun is weak and dim, like we describe the sun like a ball of light. So if the sun is very dim, it's not bright, right? Then it's like the hot is weak. The heart here, okay, not here. Like a lot of the modern people, they say the heart is here on the left side. No, okay, not that heart, not the organ. It's the energy heart. It's between the two nipple at this spot. It's not a physical thing. This God power with the heart, God, the sun, right? It's supposed to be helping you to generate that power which allows you to focus, allows you to stay determined, allows you to have faith in yourself, believe in yourself, um, and because of that, you don't want to give up. Okay, so this heart right here, if today you wake up and your sun is low, you feel not confident, insecure, you feel like not aligned, and like everything is shaky, and I couldn't really like I don't feel I'm in control of my life. I get like distracted very easily. I can't really focus. I get procrastination all the time. That is your sun is weak. Okay, the sun control these things. It has nothing to do with your physical body feeling. Okay? I heard, funny enough, I heard someone is telling me, oh, after I ejaculate, I feel like weak. My energy is low. So I feel like my sun is kind of like weak. I mean, what are you talking about? It has nothing to do with that, right? Like, that kind of energy, the Jing Shen, that kind of energy that we're talking about, has nothing to do with your physical body. Okay? You get it? So when people talk about these things and relate to the physical body, it is all wrong. It's not even about that. It's about something more important. It's your heart. So if your sun is strong today when you wake up, lots of confidence, I can do it. Yes, no problem. I feel like this is not difficult. Okay, I can go through my day and really like just complete one task after another. Feel very focused. I didn't get distracted the whole day. I get things done. Great life, right? With a bright and powerful sun, you can get things done. Your life can be successful. You're going to be happy because you can fulfill yourself. But if your sun is low, whatever I tell you to do or whatever you wanted to do, you're like, maybe I can't do it. Maybe I'm wrong. And, all that self doubt is going to happen. Self doubt is very scary, You try to write an article and then you submit the article. The first thing is coming into the feeling. It's not like, oh, yeah, I'm done. No, 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 no. The first thing is maybe they won't like it. What? The guy, I mean, like the guy didn't even read your article, and you already tell yourself maybe they won't like it, maybe they will, maybe they will not. I don't know, like that. That is a sign telling you your sun is not strong enough. My sun is very strong. I made a video, I upload, right? I believe myself. I believe this will be good. I believe everything. I won't even doubt myself. Oh, what if the video actually like is not going good and everyone don't like it? It's fine. I don't care. Right? I believe in myself. I believe my work is good. I believe. And that is like it doesn't really have to do with the outcome. It has to do with you believing in yourself so that you are outputting the best of yourself. And that allows you to get things done. If it went out and the result is not good, that's fine. You learn from experience. You do better next time, right? There you go. So the sun controls these things. If your sun is weak, you can be feeling insecure all the time about your wife, your husband, maybe always thinking that someone's attacking you at the back and that someone's talking about you at the back and like nothing is actually going on. And all these things are like self created because the sun is weak, is feeling insecure, not self trusting. And so what happened is it tried to build up the defense to help you like prevent those things happen. And so you get it as it's happening and you start defending while like there's nothing going on. And that is what you call Jing Sun Bang, mental illness. In English we say mental illness, but it's actually more than that. Okay? Jing Sun Bang is your Jing and Sun have got sick. It's gotten sick. It's like a kind of illness, malfunction, disorder of the Jing and Sun. Something's wrong. Okay, something's wrong inside. You see, a lot of people have these kind of Jing Sun bang, especially when people are very into like all these wrong Qi Kong martial art religious practice. When they go wrong, they do those things going for the wrong goal, misunderstanding everything, right? You are doing all these things with the wrong intention. It screws up your energy body. It screws up everything. And eventually, that's why there's so many Jing Sun Bang people in the world thinking that, like, oh, like I just ejaculated and I feel like a noodle. That's like my Jing going low. Jing Sun Bang, right? So the first thing is you need knowledge. You need a master to give you knowledge, and you need to stop what you're doing, and you need the master to guide you back on track so that you can fix your Jing Sun Bang. There you go. I'll see you in the next one. If you want to learn Taoism and have true knowledge, you can go to teenyatdragon.com. You can get ordained or initiated, and I'll see you in the next video.